So today, welcome to this channel. So today we're configuring security control on Windows. Then I'm going to start with doing a quick search on the computer. Then so I'm working with Windows Server admin. Select computer. Okay, I already have it open. And select shared folders to expand it. Then the shares. Going to select, right click on the certain row and property. In property you see like general, publish, share permissions, security. Then in the share permission, that's where you configure the control. So I'm going to remove. So as you can see, everyone has access to this file. So we're going to remove it. And removed and OK. So this will limit access to the administrators. So a quick question, what do you think would be an effective method to directly block access to the user? So as you can see, one of the user in this computer, it's Ren.